This is a engine from a 2001 Honda Goldwing GL1800. We're getting it ready to go on the teardown table. We're going to take it apart. You guys are going to go along for a ride with us. Thanks for watching. My name is Haven. I'm from Midwest Motor Parts, and we sell used motorcycle parts in Chicago Heights, Illinois. This engine is a huge one. Look how big it is. It took two of us to get it off of the dolly onto the teardown table. Here we go. Getting ready to take off the front cover. Looks like there's 12 screws or flange bolts. So this cover also has a signal generator, that wire that's hanging there, that's attached to it. And behind this cover is the pulse rotor. Guess I was having a little hard time there getting that cover loosened. Heads up, you do not need to remove that center screw. Enjoy the music while I figure this front cover out, guys. At this rate, this series of tearing this engine down is probably going to be, I don't know, 5-6 episodes. Please subscribe. Come back and view the rest of this dismantling of this 6-cylinder engine. This engine directly from Honda came with 118 horsepower, 1,832 cc's, flat 6, fuel injected. Finally got it loose. There's that signal generator attached to the cover. That is, pulse generator is the star shape. This item right here that's getting ready to come off. So this is the front of the engine. As you can see in the center there, you've got a chain going to the left and a chain going to the right. And you can see the guides, the tensioner guides for the cam chains. There's one going to the left and one going to the right. So we're going to get these 6 head bolts removed from the cylinder head cover. There's 6 of them. So we've got the right cylinder head cover. It's coming off, and as you can see, you've got the right camshaft. You've got its keeper. The keeper has 8 bolts attached to keep the camshaft in place, and you can see the chain that's going around the gear head of the camshaft. We've included part numbers for as many items as we possibly can. In the event you're working on an engine like this and you've got a part that needs to be replaced, it makes your search a tad bit easier having the part number handy. Keeper is fastened to the head pretty tight. There we have it. There's the camshaft, the right camshaft. So as you can see, the chain pretty tight. You gotta remove the tension and loosen it up here. And the bolts that are fixed in the case as well. The guide and the tensioner. This is our first GL1800 engine we've ever taken apart. All parts will be available on our website, MidwestMotorParts.com. You can check the description of this video for various links. So we're removing the tensioner lifter. See, it's pressed up against the chain. It's got like a spring action in there. Been removed. Looks pretty good. Looks like the guide is still attached to the case. There we go. There we go. Guide's free to move. Chain's loose enough to come off. Cam chain has 118 links. Interesting. And there's two. This motor is huge. Camshaft looks good. What do you think? Well, that's it for this video. See you on the next one.